Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can get free gifts on TEMU with a step-by-step guide. So from the TEMU app here, you want to go to use section here and then click on play and earn. On play and earn, you can see there's a top section here, all gifts waiting. Let's just click on pick gifts now. Now from here, you'll be added to this section here. Just click on with my gift. Now let's just start picking our gift, right? So let's pick this, for example. Let's pick this. All right, let's wait for it to load. Let's click on pick this free gift now. Now let's pick our second free gift as well. I'll get it for free, just like this, right? If we have this little cute animation, let's pick another one. Let's just pick this chain here, for example. Let's click on pick this free gift. Again, it'll show up as this little cute animation. Now let's pick our final one. I'm just going to pick this wall-mounted charging holder here. I'm just going to click on pick this free gift now. Amazing. Now that's all three of our free gifts here. Now let's just add a new address now. Now here, let's just add a new address. Let's add in our name. So I'm just going to example name here, for example. So example name, right? And then for the address, I'm just gonna add in a random address in America. So like street. So California, for example, California. I'm just going to do this random one, and then I'm just going to skip. Now you just have to add a phone number here, right? So just add in a random phone number, something like this, right? Click on this as well, save and use, and you're done. Now you can see I'm just gonna leave it that. Now we have a address here, right? Now just click on confirm. Now let's wait for it to load. Now it might come up as a black screen like this. Again, here's the item you picked. Now 3 free gifts will save you around $6 right here, right? So you get 3 free gifts that's worth $6 as well. And there's also free shipping here as well, right? Now again, let's just wait. Let's click on back now here. Wait for it to load. Again, back like this. Again, let's wait for it. Back now. Tap on it. And you see right now our energy is missing, right? So the way we can get new energy here, we can get new energy right here, 6 points plus, energy upgrade like this. Again, now it gets doubled. It gets doubled again, 25 energy for you. Let's just finish this up. Now you can see it'll fill up our energy bar like this. Now we can also get super easy mode like this. Now it'll have a couple of animation we'll have to go through. I think it'll be a couple of bits until we get the animation to start here. Here we go. Let's just wait for it. Look past on. Things like this. Energy 10. Let me just speed it up. Now here you can see. Now unfortunately we will have to invite new friends to get energy, right? After that, if you invited your friend, just click on this and then you can claim the energy. If your friend signs up, you can see equals 1 energy. You can get the energy and unpack this last free gift. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.